Okay, everyone, welcome to the Inspire Youth in STEM Bootcamp. Today is actually lesson 5, or today is number 5, but we are going to get you started really quick for those who are joining us today. And
Excuse me, Bob.
yes,
This is Moses speaking.
yes,
There's a colleague from Southern Sudan,
yes,
Mr. Abraham. He wanted also to join.
yes. You can share the link with him.
Okay.
Yes, share the link with him so that he can join us even today. Okay. So this is a course that I have been teaching at JKUAT. JKUAT is one of the leading universities in Kenya on Python programming. And it is in the series we teach STEM, science, technology, engineering, and maths to university students. So it's basically for beginners. So don't be intimidated. Don't feel that you know little. And we are going to start from the basics of Python. Then those who want to do other topics, we will also go into it. Like Leslie is interested in mechatronics, so we will be doing mechatronics with him. And the others, we will talk about it later, how we will. So here you need to install this software, Python, which is it's called a scripting engine. Whatever I sent you, Python, the scripting engine, and then you also need Visual Studio Code, and then you need to install Git for Windows, which I had shared with you. Did you all install those?
Yes.
Yes. So those are what we will be using. So once you have installed this, there is what is called Linux or Unix commands which are used. I will. So I'll be sharing the screen. I'll be sharing my screen so that you see whatever I'm doing and you do it practically. So I want you to open Git Bash. You look here, Git Bash. So can you be able to see this app you had installed? Git Bash, can you be able to see it? Are you able to see it?
Git bash, I can see it.
Yes, did you install it?
Oh, sorry, Moses is not seeing in your screen.
And others, can you see my screen?
You can see your screen.
Yes, you can.
Yes, can you see that Git Bash?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, all of you, can you open it from your end?
Are you able to?
Are you able to open it if you installed it?
Sorry. Okay. Moses, can you open the Git bash?
Moses, are you able to open it?
That's a moment.
Okay. Leslie, are you together with us?
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are
I've
able to
opened
open
it.
your Git. Okay.
Yeah.
I think for you, we did this last week. So I'll show you a shortcut. But for those who are joining us today, I'm just showing you this is how to operate Git Bash so that you can be able to navigate to where your project is. Okay. Are we together?
We are together, but Moses cannot see your screen.
He cannot see my screen.
Yes, I wonder why. Okay. Maybe log
Can
out
I
and then
stop
log in.
sharing and share again?
Yes, can you? Yeah, please do that. Stop share and then share again. Look up.
Can you
Yes,
see
there.
it now? Now
Oh,
you
yeah,
can
yeah.
see it.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Thank you.
Good. So you open this git bash for Windows. How you do
Yeah.
it, you go to the Windows, you know how to search, and then you look for git. You just say git, and then you'll see this blue, green, red, and then you click on it. So it will come up like this. That's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
Then I want you to type dir. So dir is used to, from here, dir is used to list the contents of a directory or contents, like what is inside a folder. So if you click dir, for my case, I'll be able to see something called documents. Can you be able to see documents?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Sure.
In your case, can you be able to see documents?
Yes.
Okay. So we want to go inside our documents because that is where we are going to create our projects. So you use another command, which is called cd, which stands for change directory. Cd, change directory. It's used to change the directory of where you are working, cd. So I want you to type cd, and then you say documents. Like that. CD, then documents. So that will take you under documents folder. So you'll be able to see here, it has changed to yellow. So it's telling you are inside the documents. Okay. Okay. Then you can also do dir. You'll also see the things inside the documents. Okay. What is inside the documents? So for this case, we want to make a folder which is called, I'm calling it mechatronics for my case. So I want you to make a folder, call it mkdir, which is standing for make directory. Make directory is directory in this case is just a folder. Make directory is just a folder where we are going to have all our projects files or our Python file. So mkdir is short form for make directory. So I want you to write mkdir, then you call it mechatronics. Mechatronics. So say mkdir mechatronics. So we are just using that as a standard, and everyone, it's just a name that we are using for this course, but you can name it anything you want. So for uniformity, I want you to just call it mechatronics.
Okay.
Yes, Leslie already did this and it's okay. So then press enter. So I already did that. So if you make a folder called mechatronics, you can also do cd mechatronics, cd mechatronics. Then you'll also see a folder there called mechatronics. Are we together?
Yes, true.
Yes. So now you should be having two yellow showing documents,
Yes.
mechatronics. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yes, good. Then inside there, I want you to say ls, which means you will list the files which are inside the mechatronics. ls will list the files. ls will list the files that are inside there. ls is listing the directory, the files inside there. For now, you don't have anything, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. So we want to first of all create some files. So I want you to create by writing touch. So I write touch, then you say 1 underscore data 1 underscore data types underscore data types dot py. So you say touch 1_ data types.py, like that, .py. I'm also going to create another one, 0 hello world .py. So
types.py, we click enter.
yes, then you click enter. Yes. So I want you to create for data types and another one which we are calling 0_ hello world.py. So you can create as many as so every class you'll be creating and another file. Each file you'll be creating it like that. So for example, today, if I want us to talk about touch something, if else.py. So today, this is the lesson 4 or number 4. So you just do 4 dash if else.py like that. So we have actually 1, 2, 3 ls. I have 1, 2. It doesn't matter what you name it, but so we had number 2, number 1. So you should be able, at least you should be having 2 or 3 files you have created. So you just say touch, then you call it hello world.py, data types.py. You can also call another one if else.py. Okay?
Yeah.
And then you do ls, which will stand for list the files. So ls you'll be able to list all the files that are inside there. Okay, are you able to do that? Are you be able to do that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let's continue. Then type code, then code, and then it will open for you the Visual Studio Code. It will open this software.
Just code and then enter, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
It has opened it, isn't it?
Yes, sure.
Yes. Did you, has it opened and showed your files? So inside here, mechatronics, has it showed this? So at least 3.
Let me see. No.
Okay, close. I want you to close it. You are supposed to put a full stop, code, then full stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just close that black, the Visual Studio Code which it opened, and repeat again. Go to your mechatronics, and then you do code, then full stop. Full stop must be there. Okay.
Command not found.
Yes.
It is saying
Same here. Command not found.
Command not found.
Command not found. Did you install Visual Studio Code?
Yes.
Actually, it opened before the initial instruction before the full stop. It opened.
Same here. It opened.
It opened.
Yeah, but now I'm putting the full stop.
It's not working.
It's
Okay.
saying that the command not found.
So so let's do it again. Right code. You have closed the Visual Studio Code, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
right code, or let me give you a shortcut. You know, these are just some things which for programmers you normally do things here in quick way. to help you, but you can always have a shortcut. So the shortcut is, so I want you to click your documents, you know, documents like this,
Yes.
or your Explorer. Then you go to documents. Yeah. Because our project is under documents and we have the folder called Mechatronics. Do you have it?
Okay.
Yes. So click Mechatronics. And you should be having some files here.
Yes.
Isn't it? So you can click show more options, open with code. So you right click inside here, inside the Mechatronics folder, it's under documents. Then you come and click Mechatronics. Then inside here, you right click on the mouse, then open with the code. Then we'll open it.
Interestingly, I've gone to my documents. I don't see any folder created.
You documents, but you if it has refused, then where did you create your project?
I wonder where. Oh my God.
Or you can just create a folder. You can create a folder there quickly. You know how to create a folder, new folder.
Yes.
Yeah, create it very quickly and you name it Mechatronics, and then you open it. We will sort out where the problem is. The others, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Yes, Leslie also I know is okay.
I'm okay, I'm good.
Yes. Okay, so today we want to...
You can go to that.
Yes, so today we want to go through how to get started.
Full stop. Oh, no, code. Space, full stop, enter.
Yes. So I'll go through everyone. So we'll go through these slides and then after a short time we continue. So that is how to Linux shells, and I think I'll share this slides also. If you want to make a new directory, if you want to list, if you want to create a new file, if you want to change a directory. So every time we will be having class, we will be following this so that you learn and how to run a Python code, how to open and all that. Okay, then there is what is called Git basics. So you need to write the Git configuration. You need to configure your GitHub so that it can your Git client or your Git software, so that it will talk to something, talk to a certain site called github.com. Okay, so I'm going to show you this, how to do this. Also, you will just copy this and then we start on Python. So the first thing that I want us to do is to go here and create a file. You can create a file. We already had 0_hello.py. Or if you don't have it, you can click here and then you call it, you name it 0_hello.py. I called mine hello world. It doesn't matter. Okay. .py. And given that it is Python, you will see this symbol of Python. Okay. Are we together?
Yes.
Yeah, we're together.
Yes. Then the first thing normally in a programming language, the first thing that you normally write is to print something or to show something to the screen. So I want us to work together. You'll type together with me. So you say print, then you say into quotes, my name is Bob. My name is Moses, like that. Okay, we print that. Then you print. You can print as many things as you want. At least print 2 or 3 lines. Then I am from Nairobi. Something like that. You print at least. Print that. Print that. My name is Bob, and I am from Nairobi. Okay. All right. Then, have you guys typed that?
You're typing.
Yeah.
You can also copy. You can always copy one. You copy that, and then you paste. You copy using Control C, and then paste with Control V. Okay. Then you can, if you want to like underline or do something, you can do something like that.
Okay. Bob.
Yes.
You forgot the Shabang.
Yes. Okay. Yes. So there is something here. Don't worry about this, guys, for today. Well,
/bin/n Python.
Yes. So just type this the way it is. It basically, you are telling your computer that you are running a Python, like the software, the file which you are writing is Python. It's a Python program. So just like that. I will, yes. So just type that. And you can print, at least you print one thing. My name is Bob. And you can always copy it if you want. Control C to copy, Control V to print, to paste. Like that. You can do so many things, like print stars, something like that. Okay. Have you guys printed at least one line or two? At least one line or two?
Can I maybe share my screen?
Yes. Share your screen.
Yes.
Yes, share your screen.
Then the one was down there. Yeah.
Yes. I come from Nairobi should be in quotes. In quotes.
Actually, what I was wondering, it wasn't
capital
highlighted.
P. It is not capital P. It is small p.
Oh.
Small p. Yes, all of them should be small p. Yeah. So Python is what is called case sensitive. So if you you don't do that, okay, save, okay. Yeah, please stop sharing so that
it's okay now, right?
Yes, it's now okay.
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 Thank you.
Are we together? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So we want to run this program. We want to run it, meaning we want to see whatever we are printing, whether it is working or not. So go up here, go to VS Code. Here. Just a minute, up here. There is a bar which is so Visual Studio Code. is. Okay, so click here. Click if you are here. Can you be able to see file, exit, view, all that up here?
Yes.
Then click this three, and then there is terminal.
Yes.
And then new terminal.
Okay.
Then it will
It
will open for you something down here, which is having all those things. Then inside the folder where you had, which is called mechatronics.
Yes.
Okay. Then remember we said if you want to see your Python, you want to list, you say ls. Then you will see all the files which you have created. I have quite a number, but maybe you have 2 or 3, no problem. Okay. Are we together?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so we are, for my case, I typed this thing inside the file called helloworld.py. So how I'm going to run it is I type here inside there.
I see after listing the files in the directory.
Yes.
It is telling me that you want to install the recommended Python extension from Microsoft for the Python language.
No, what? Leave it. You can install. Yes, you can install if you want, but Microsoft just want to sell you something. Yes, just install it. No problem. If it is not costing you any, yeah. Okay. Okay. Can we continue?
Yes.
So I want you to type Python, and then you call it 0, and then you type 0, and then there is in your keyboard there is a key called tabs. If you see caps lock, then there is tabs.
Yes.
So press tabs and it will come like this. helloworld.py 0, then it will come at helloworld.py. You press tabs, you write Python, then 0 helloworld.py, then you press enter. Then it will show you your Python. Okay. Python, then you say 0, and then you press tabs, tab key. Then it will show you like this. If whichever file you named, even if I want to run the if statement, whichever one you decided to choose, but like Python, you just say 0, then press tabs, then it will give me like that. Okay.
I'm trying this.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Is it giving you whatever you printed?
It's hello world.
Yes.
Hello _world.py.
Yes. Do this and then press enter. Press enter.
Yeah.
So it should print for you something on the screen. Is it printing? Your name?
Yeah.
It is printing your name? Okay.
It's telling me that Python was not found, run without arguments to install from Microsoft app.
Oh.
Or disable this shortcut from settings, manage app execution aliases.
Okay, for your case, Python did not install. What about Emmanuel? Yours is okay?
I was still working on the slash. I'm looking for it on my keyboard. I don't see it.
But when you just type 0,
just press 0,
Python.
and then you press tab.
Oh,
yes.
Oh, 0, then I press tab.
Yes.
Then I enter.
Yes.
Okay. Hello world, Python was not found.
Okay.
Run without arguments to solve for Microsoft Storage, yes. I think
Okay.
it's same as Moses.
Same problem.
Okay, so I'm going to help you fix that problem.
Okay.
We are having 6 minutes to before the Zoom meeting ends. So
Okay.
I want you to do this. Go to the Python installer. You know the Python installer? The one you downloaded?
Python installer.
Yes. What you downloaded, go to downloads. Go to your downloads folder. You are in the downloads folder.
Yeah, we are downloads.
Then there is the Python which you use to if you installed Python. I have it here or
Okay.
So Bob.
Yes.
Yesterday you didn't give us the Python link.
I gave you. Okay. Okay,
yeah,
please,
Moses,
please,
also the same.
Please look at what I'm doing. Okay. You come here and download Python. The link I shared with you. Okay. Did you download this file called Python 3.13.1? This? Okay.
No, not really, Bob. I think okay. You know what had happened?
Yes.
We had installed Python 3.3, just 3.3. So I think that is the mistake that we had.
It doesn't matter which version you installed. It doesn't matter. I want to show you something. So guys, just look. So when you click on the installer, just look at what I'm doing. There is one thing which, when you click on it, can you see?
Yes.
Install Python. So you need to do this. Add Python exe to path. You see this?
Oh, okay.
That is the only thing that you need to do. And then you say install now. So can you repeat it? And then we meet after you've done it. So you check this, add admin and add Python to do this. Add Python exe to path. And then you click install now. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So please click on the installer, this installer again. And then you check add admin privileges and then add Python exe to path.
Sure.
Yes. So
15.1.
yeah. Then you install now. Okay. Like even mine is installing. So by adding it to path, you are telling your computer to use it. Like you are telling it to work with the Python or to recognize the Python which you have installed. That is the meaning of adding Python to the path.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So have you seen that option?
I think, yeah.
Yes. So click.
Which version is that?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Let me download that.
Whichever version of Python you downloaded, but I sent you the link for 3.13. It doesn't matter, but as long as you click on add it to path.
Add it to path. I think that's the part we didn't take into consideration.
Yes.
It's currently going on. It's in progress.
Yes. Can you see my screen say setup was successful? Yes. Can you see?
It's still in progress.
Yes. Okay. So if you want to prove that your Python is working, you open something called command prompt. You say CMD.
Yes.
CMD, it will be that. And then you type Python space -- version. And then it will show you. I am running Python 3.13.1.
Okay.
Yes, so you open command prompt. Command prompt, you go to the Windows search, then you say CMD, command prompt, or you just, like that. Then you say Python space -- version, so that you want to know what version of Python you are running. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So
with the forward slashes, right?
Yes, with the forward slashes.
Okay.
Python space -- forward slash that, and then -- it is not slashes. Slash is this. This is slash. Okay. But this is -- and then version. Okay. Okay. Are we together? Are we together, guys?
Happening is it's like my machine has gotten stuck because it's still installing.
No problem. Give it time. We are having 10 minutes, and then we resume the next class. So the next class we are going to resume at around 10:51. Okay.
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 Yes. I'm sending you the link when the time arrives.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right.